Dr. Nandipha Magudumana's father has spoken out for the first time about her daughter's involvement in helping her jailbird lover, Thabo Bester, in escaping prison. You guys, he also spoke about his daughter being in hiding. Now, Dr. Nandipha's father has revealed that he knows that her daughter is in hiding. He knows where his daughter is, but he will not reveal where she is. So, without wasting your time, please take a listen to this audio. Do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Have you been in touch with your daughter by any chance?
No, I don't know even wherever she is.
Has she been in touch with you?
One time she was in touch with me when all this fracas started.
And what did she say to you?
No, she was asking about her mom's health.
Okay.
And she said she's in hiding.
Did she say why she was in hiding? Did she explain to you?
I know. She didn't even need to explain to me. I know what was happening there in Johannesburg.
And are you perhaps worried about her?
Very worried. How can I not be worried about my daughter? I don't want any person to know my whereabouts because I don't trust anybody. It's a very sensitive matter. I've left it to the people to do their investigations and all that.
Yeah.
I'm sure there are people involved from whatever it is, investigators or government and all that. I don't want to disturb, I don't want to talk.
Yeah. Did you perhaps know that your daughter was involved with this man who was in prison?
No.